Hey everybody, doing another open house in Rosena Ranch today. Address is 4004 Obsidian Road. It's a beautiful house. It's Astor Residence 3, the older Astor Residence 3. They switched them around now, but a very popular model. Has one bedroom downstairs, has the kitchen open up to the great room, dining room, has a loft, has extra room in the garage, big giant pantry. Kind of checks all the boxes when looking for a home in here. Size is 2389 square feet. I'll take you around right now. Let's start in the downstairs bedroom. All right. So this is the downstairs bedroom. You can see it's being used as an office right now. Hi. Downstairs bathroom with a shower. Upgraded flooring. We'll go upstairs in just a minute. There's the kitchen. Like I said, it opens up to the dining area and then into the family room, great room. I'll show you the pantry I was talking about too. Everybody loves the pantry on this model. It's gigantic. Show you the garage. So as you can see, it has the parking area and then it has this extra space right here. Storage. You see they have racks. Oh, look who it is! Right on time.
That's right.
He's always late. A lot of landscaping done here as well. I'll take you upstairs right now. Shoes off, or you gotta wear the booties?
Upstairs or?
Upstairs, yeah.
Okay.
See the booties we have? All right. So here's the loft area. Perfect size. And it's connected to the first upstairs bedroom. Second upstairs bedroom. And the main area upstairs bathroom. Laundry room with the closet attached. And we'll go into the master bedroom. Hi, baby. And we got the bath. Sorry, I just got here, turning on all the lights, so. Closet. So as you can see, like I said, this home kind of checks all the boxes. Unless you need something bigger, this one has everything that pretty much everybody's looking for when they come to Rosena Ranch. The loft, downstairs bedroom, open kitchen, great room, laundry's upstairs, extra room in the garage. So again, we'll be here from 12 to 3. Address is 4004 Obsidian. You have any questions about the community itself? I kind of can answer anything. And then also have a lender here at the open house, Justin Lopez, that can answer any questions about monthly payment, breakdown. Say hi, Justin.
Hey everybody, how you doing?
Remember him from last week? think I'm gonna use them every week.
Yeah.
Hopefully his wife is okay with that. Let's check out the flyer. Look at that. He actually, what?
Look at that.
What's going on? You feeling okay?
Yeah.
Alright. That's all the information you need? Oh, excuse me. Now that's all the information you need. So, any questions about the community? I'll give you a little information about the community. We have 2 pools in here. We have a fitness center. There's walking, hiking trails. There is a school located in the center of the community. It's Pakuma. And then we have sports fields, baseball, basketball, soccer. There's playgrounds. There's outdoor barbecues. What else? There's a lot going on here. They have tons of events throughout the year. There's always movie nights. They do a nice parade in here where Santa comes and drives through the neighborhood. It's amazing. They have decorating contests. They have craft fairs. Just tons of stuff. There's stuff going on all year. So again, if you have any questions about the community, about this house, contact me 949-291-8066, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions. You guys have a good day. Looking forward to hearing from you.